Let's look at this. We are asked to evaluate this. Look at it very well. 2. This can also be 2 raised to the power 2. This one, 2 raised to the power 5. This one, 2 raised to the power 4. This one, 2 raised to the power 2. With this, we should be encouraged to change the base using 2 as the base. If you have not watched the previous videos from indices to this point, little things might confuse you unless you already understand this topic very well. So if you have not done that, I encourage you to go and watch the previous videos, okay? Now let's see. I'm going to change the base rate. Nothing will stop me from doing that because there is big encouragement with what I'm seeing here. So these two will also go, this will also go, this guy too will also go. Please, you have not watched the previous videos, go and watch them. So don't say, why are you changing the base? It's because you have not watched the previous video, especially the one of change of base, okay? Now that we have done this now, easy to solve. All we are going to target is to make 2 like this. Remember, this is 2 raised to the power 2. That is 2 raised to the power 2. I am not going to put it 2 here, we put it here. You know the reason why. We have explained that. Okay, what about this? The same thing. I'm going to put 2 here. I also, sorry, this was supposed to be 2. See, I missed it. 2. I'm going to put 2 here. I put 1 over 2 here. That is square root. But I'm not going to put it here. I will put it here. You know the reason why. We have done that. This one is 2 raised to the power 4. That is this, 2 raised to the power 4. But we are not going to put this 4 here. We're going to put it here. You know why. This one too, we are going to put 2. But this 1 over is supposed to be like this. But we are not going to put it here. We're going to put it here. Let's go for this one. That is log 2. This 2 is what? 2 raised to the power 5. I should put it here, but I will not put it here. Then this one is 2 raised to the power 2. Instead of putting the 2 here, I will put it here, okay? So you can see, we can cancel this and this now, cancel this and this, cancel this and this. Therefore, what is remaining is minus 4, because 4 divided by minus 1 is minus 4. This is 5 divided by 2, okay? So you agree with me, I can flip this. That is 2 multiplied by 2 minus this plus 5 over 2. This and this we leave this place. We are left with this. This is the answer. Okay, as you can see, we started from here. Then we took it here. You can also work on this further by saying 2.5 if you like. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.